What began as a movement over 20 years ago culminates in a crossover unlike any other today. With a focus on the future and an emphasis on you, true luxury has been transformed in the new Lexus RX. With its bold appearance and powerful stance, this SUV demands your attention. Seductive surfaces create a spindle body, and new optimized proportions and seamless grille reflect an engaging driving experience while also expressing a unique human-centered identity. A human-centered identity that continues inside the car through its Tazuna cockpit design. A functional layout of the meters, available head-up display and center display, along with a new multimedia system, touchscreen and voice commands, offer an optimized driving experience that intuitively connects human and machine. But on the road is where the RX really reveals its character. With the Lexus driving signature at its foundation, the RX features a refined, compelling driving demeanor not achieved by any predecessor. It's both lighter and has a higher body rigidity. With a high degree of responsiveness providing an overall feeling of confidence, the RX excels through its distinct handling behavior, cementing it as a formidable SUV. And with multiple powertrains, from an all-new performance hybrid to a powerful turbo engine, each vehicle is crafted to intensify the joy of driving. This model lineup includes our first performance hybrid model to utilize Direct 4, an all-new drive force control system introduced on the pure electric Lexus RZ. This next-generation electric technology is revolutionizing how drivers and vehicles interact with the road. By directing power from motors at each axle, the RX can demonstrate front, rear or all-wheel drive performance, all to ensure that the vehicle responds almost like an extension of the driver's intent. And with all the latest in advanced technology like e-latch and exit assist to make getting in and out of the vehicle safer and easier. Advanced Park to help you fit into tight spaces, and Digital Key to give you seamless shareable access to your car through your smartphone. The RX has you covered. Take an exhilarating turn in the reimagined Lexus RX. This is the new joy of driving.